Aro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Hadin ka jing ino kam jing nongkitkam ka seng Congress Haribhoi District mentai kasngi na kaliang ka All India Congress Committee AICC kalapha iwe observer lani nongpet nongkmi. Ujon Richard Lobo obadeiru IAS barim na Jilam Mangalore Banwan Shiribhoi District. Ulawan ban pelong ya ka program Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan kabatmu banjit thymmai kinongkitkam ka seng Congress hapo ka district. Hagani ka sngi la yadon lang ru observer ka AICC Ujon Richard Lobo u ad hoc president ka seng Congress riboy uba Sangathan Sim uba Rocky Marwen lembar kiwei pat kinongkitkam ka Congress ha ka jingyalang. Unong pet perman ula ay tiru ya ka application form siya u ad hoc president uba Rocky Marwen haba ay jingkren siya kilat pathay kubor Ujon Richard Lobo ula ong ba ka jingwan jing u sharibhoy kalong banjit ya kinongkitkam thymmai ka Congress yo jingmut nakipad ba bayanu ki kwa banong u president jong ka district. Ula pentibru ba unled siya baro santali ki constituency hapo ribhoy banyo jingmun na kilong kmilong pa bar ki kun samla kanang banpin klan ya ka seng Congress kumbakalong hakisnem balalet. Siu ula ong baka AICC bat kumu observer ru kimla ban trekam klem ka jingis no oktilang kipad ba. Nadu ka grassroots level, hadu ka district level. Ula kerpad ikipad ba nung kershan ka Congress, bakin kershan lang ya kini ka Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan kanang ba kaseng kanyo ban jied ikinongkitkam kibapura berkibala ban yalamba ya ka party ha ka district.
Tokoble pi baro hakani ka por ngidon hangni ha po umsning hakababanya thu ipi baro kipad ba kibapet ya gani ka news i kumbalong nakalian jong ka All India Congress Committee kalapha ya uwi niki observer mentang baro ladon hangni ha po Ribhoi district jongi kajingwan jong ki observer mdei tang Ribhoi ha po ka haman laki district hakaba ka jingtmu jong ka All India Congress Committee hakaba de ban jied ya president jong ka Ribhoi District Congress Committee te kadai ka jingpatha ba ka jingpenbet nanti nakaliang jong ka AICC hakaba observer undon hakini ki santli sans kumba sanski undon hangni hapo district kejongi hakaba un salet nakawei ka blok syakawi pat ka blok haman santli ki blok jong ka Ribhoi kata haman la santli ki constituency jong ka Ribhoi district kejongi hakaba nakaliang observer un salet ban kendu ya baro ki nongelam nadu ki riurangba ki samla ki longkemi ban shim ya ka feedback ani ban shim ya ka jing kelum lang habai dei bat ka jingjit ya president jong ka Ribhoi District Congress Committee tehani idon i sa JR Lobo i badai i observer na po AICC te idon kat pat ngin adu menen kasngi la poi hangni te communication don ngin sayo ka briefing na kaliang ka jongi ba kai ka jingwan ka jongi ba ka jingdon ka jongi hangni hapo district ka jongi te communication don ngin yo ka briefing na kaliang ka jongi.
I've been appointed by the AICC New Delhi as observer for the selection of DCC president of Ribhoi district in Meghalaya. This is the part of the Abhiyan which is called Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan, promoted by the AICC New Delhi. Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan is the derivative or is the fallout from the All India Congress Committee, a nationwide organization transformation campaign which was a part of the national campaign which our leader Mr. Rahul Gandhi undertook, starting his Abhiyan right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir the Padayatra which he did, and then later he did the another Abhiyan from Bihar to New Delhi. The objective of this entire Abhiyan is to strengthen the DCC now. As on now, the various activities are the promotional thinking which our Congress had, but at the grassroots level, for implementation, there were a lot of problems. Understanding all these issues, All India Congress Committee thought of revamping the districts and to activize the districts and to see that all the programs are properly implemented at district level. The Sangathan has to be done at the district level. As a part of that, this is the first step to identify the right candidates for the district presidency, and then which will go down to the level of revamping the district committees, and then at the block level, and then at the ward level, at the functionary level also. We observers have the responsibility of looking into the implementation of the aspiration of the AICC. Without any malice or any prejudice, we will take the opinion of the people, we will interact with the leaders, collect their opinions, and then in the presence of the AICC observers also, we will finally prepare the final report to the AICC. The AICC would like to make DCC more functional, effective, because Congress always stood for the democratic values, to strengthen the democracy. The people aspirations have to be implemented, put into action, and always Congress stood for the welfare of the entire people of the country, including the backward class, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, minorities, women, and all the vulnerable sections, the support. It is the inclusive development which Congress always thinks of. It is the welfare of each and every person which Congress always keeps in mind. The Congress which would like to build the nation in this direction, and as a part of that, effective leadership is required at the district level and down to the final grama level, the panchayat level, at the local body level. And this is the reason the entire organizational restructuring is being planned by the Congress. In Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra, which our national beloved leader Rahul Gandhi undertook, and also the Padayatra which he undertook right from Kanyakumari to Srinagar, Kashmir, it was a part of it to make the people sensitive about their rights, liberties, and also to understand the needs of the people. I appeal to all the workers as well as Congress people to support this Abhiyan of the AICC. It is not that single AICC observer or the PCC observers can do this job. Unless there is a support from the field and local level, nothing will be possible from us. I appeal to all Congress persons to support this Abhiyan, and not only support this Abhiyan, subsequently, whoever has been selected and finally appointed as president and office bearers by the AICC, to give the complete support to them and fulfill the policies and aspirations of the AICC. I would like to be here from today till 24th. Continuously we will be traveling, visiting various blocks, holding meetings there, interacting with the leaders, and also we will have one-to-one discussion with the people and the party workers to understand their mindset, to understand their feelings about the leadership, and finally also to have one-to-one interaction with the aspirants. Today we will collect the applications. Subsequently also, if anybody fails to give their applications today, we will collect the applications later also, but before our departure, and we will understand the support or their ideology about the Congress party and the competence that they have to implement the policies and the programs of our party. I appeal to all the workers to give support to this Abhiyan. Thank you.